Hello everyone, I am Shafiq. I am here with you. Today's quick topic: what is local SEO and why does it matter for small business? Local SEO means optimizing your business and people nearby can find you on Google, especially in Google Maps and near me searches. Let's say you own a cleaning business in your city. If someone searches office cleaning near me, local SEO helps your business show up at the top. It's super important because most people trust what they see first in search results. More visibility means more calls, more customers, and more sales. So, if you own a local clinic business and need help with SEO, feel free to call me or message me. I will do my best to support you with a free SEO audit and help you identify your top competitors. And I hope you understood what I was saying. Thank you so much for watching my video.